That's the sound of the police.
But you don't have blue badge.
You're parking on the disabled. Maybe you're disabled in your head.
You're not gonna do
That's
nothing.
serious, bro.
I'm not parking off. I'm doing my job.
Yo.
You think you're above law? You're not. I'm a policeman.
Yeah, no one is above law, bro. That's a fact. That's a fact. No one is above law.
Look, you see this key? You cannot do this.
Yo,
What are you
bro.
doing? You're something.
He's taking the keys. Also him. Why would you show him the keys?
I'm sorry.
Yo,
No key.
bro.
Where's the key? You don't get the bloody key.
Bro, that's crazy, bro.
Help. Send somebody. Police attack me.
Police attack. He's calling the police upon a policeman. Damn, bro. Yo, that's crazy, bro. That's wild, bro. Nah. That's crazy, man.
You will pay for this one.
Yo, bro.
You go fucking. What are you doing? Hello, help.
Yo, bro. And he's arresting the guy now.
Problem for this one. I tell you now, this is no fucking acceptable. Why?
Yo,
Why you fucking? Why you bad job?
bro.
Yeah. It's not very good, is it, officer? Your camera, mate. You know.
Hey, Phil. Yo, he finally unlocked it, bro.
Is there a reason it's not there anyway?
Finally unlocked it.
Thanks, mate. Look how many
Yo, bro.
You're a little scumbag, mate. Got you on camera, I'll be reporting you, mate, alright?
He's losing his job, this guy. And he arrested the guy, bro. That guy is arrested now.